Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram story music feature not available problem. If you're using Instagram and you're facing the issue that your story music feature is not available on your Instagram, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first, you have to refresh your network because it might be a network issue. Now to refresh your network, you have to scroll down your control center and you have to make sure that you have a strongest and a stable network connection. It might be a Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. And then go back, open your settings app here, go for general here, and go for VPN device management. And you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you are connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that. Then go back from here. And here you just have to go for software update, and you have to also make sure that you haven't any pending software update. And you have to go back, open your app store or play store, and here you have to search for Instagram, and you have to try to update your Instagram app. If you find any updates for your Instagram app, try to update your app. And after updating your app, you just have to go back and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not, or if it's still not fixed, you have to open your settings app again. And here, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select recent network settings, enter your passcode, and then select recent network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular data, hotspot, and also including your airdrops. It will reset just the network setting. It will not lead to any type of data. So you can really try this fix, and after doing that, your issue will be fixed if it's just a network issue. Or if your issue is still not fixed, you have to go for general section, go for iPhone storage, and look for Instagram app here and try to offload your app. If you're using any Androids, you can also try to clear cache and storage and data of your Instagram app, or you can also try to uninstall app. So here's a delete app option. Simply tap on that, tap on delete to uninstall your app, and after uninstalling, open your App Store or Play Store and retry to download and install Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. And after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.